children are not going to change their behaviors unless there's something in it for them. Does that make sense? I'm going to say it again. They're not going to change their behaviors because you want them to. Anybody here ever quit smoking cigarettes? Okay, can I ask you both a question? Before you quit smoking cigarettes, did anybody ever suggest you should quit smoking cigarettes? Okay, what did you immediately want to do when they said that? Okay, so she flipped me off. That's good. What would you want to do? No, it's okay. This is reality. It's not like we're not supposed to be this way. No, be any way you want. What would you want to do immediately when somebody said you should quit smoking cigarettes?
I would probably want to light a cigarette.
Okay, and what direction would you want to blow the smoke? Exactly. Okay, I mean that's it, right in their face, right? If I tell you you can't do something, you don't do it. So I got to figure out. Like, now, why did you quit smoking cigarettes? Okay. Why did you quit smoking cigarettes?
Because I work with babies and they have to spectrum more than that.
Okay. You just don't smoke outside. Were you smoking in the baby room before? That's what was happening? Oh, okay. I make sense. No, it totally makes sense. Okay. But both times you chose it.
Yeah.
Why should a child pay attention? Why should a child follow directions? If you give me any of the excuses that the teacher, I'm an adult, I do this, I know it's better for them, I know that's safe, I know this. My question, my response every time is, do they care? Do they care? I'm an adult, do they care? I know it's better, do they care? I want them to be safe. Do they want to be safe or do they want to jump over the highest thing? I mean, right? So it's all about understanding your kids.